Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Vista local and long-distance movers near me. If you're moving long distance, you will have a huge number of boxes to pack, let alone to transport to your new space. Since moving far away can be such a hassle, let 3 Movers take care of it for you instead. We can pack everything for you with protective packaging to keep all of your things safe for the journey, so all you have to deal with is getting there. Moving locally will save you some of the tedious things that come with a long-distance move, but the trouble of moving is unavoidable. If you're moving around the corner to a new home or office, you'll still have to pack up all of your belongings. Luckily, we are the moving experts. For a local move, we will get you packed and resettled on the same day. Looks like you'll be hosting a moving day party after all. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Vista moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.